Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to UGTections tutorial. So we have completed our milestones to teach Python basics, such as we covered the topic in our tutorials like from installations, classes, objects, operator, statement, loops, and etc. So today we will discuss about user input and how to set or save data in JSON array. So before moving to user input, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page, which is UGTections tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we learned about how to import modules, right? So today we will import a module here, which is JSON. So here we import a JSON and now we initialize an array for JSON. We are initializing keys here for JSON. What is JSON? JSON is a lightweight format for storing or transporting data, right? So what we are doing here, we are initializing our keys here. So we will take input of our values and store the keys and the values in JSON format, right, using dictionary. So my keys are name, age, date of birth, then gender, and let's say height, right? So that's it. So let's create a dictionary, empty dictionary over here. So just create an empty dictionary. Now let's create a for loop over here and say keys values. No, we are using here for loop to store values by using these keys. So in array for JSON, right? So that's it. So after that, now what to do, we will use a variable a, or let's say input value. This is the variable, and now to take input from a user, we use input command here, right? And then we use these brackets and then enter a message here. So let's say enter your and then whatever variable here. So here is the key. This will be key, right? So enter your, this will be key, and then we will say plus concatenations and then 2 spaces. So what it will do, it will take input by saying enter your key. The key contains these keys. For example, it say enter your name, or enter your age, enter your date of birth, enter your gender, or enter your height, right? And then it will save in this variable, right? And then this variable will be stored by dictionary. So dictionary for JSON, it will store the key and this will be the value, input value, right? And then in the last, when these will fill, we will do a variable a will store JSON dot dump. It will dump the data of dictionary, right? What it will do, it will dump all the data of this dictionary for JSON, right? And then we will print this JSON. After creating this JSON, we will print the variable a, right? So let me before running it, let me discuss what I did here. I created here an array and store the keys over here, which named as name, age, date of birth, gender and height. And then I created here a dictionary, empty dictionary, to store the values and keys together, and then transform or format this dictionary into JSON, right? So then I created a for loop over here and use the variable key, and then called this array to get the input about these keys, such as name, age, date of birth and gender, height. So it will generate some values by using user input, right? Whenever I enter a value over here, like entering the name, it will store in this variable, and then this variable will be stored by using this key, right? Whatever key is here representing as name or age or date of birth, the key will store here and the value will store here. And then after the loop finished or exit, the dictionary will be transformed or formatted by JSON by using json.dumps, right? And then we print a variable. So let's run it. Enter your name. So let's say Z, right? So it says enter your age, so let's say 21, and it says date of birth, so the date of birth is 1st Jan 2000. Then what is the gender? It's a male gender. And then what is the height? It's about 5.8, and that's it. So we store some values here. It prints the dictionary formatted by JSON and then print it. In this tutorial we learned how to take input from a user. So hope you will like the video. If you like this, give thumbs up to this video. Also do share it with your friends. Keep remember our channel in your prayers. Do practice, because when we do practice we learn more. Code it, learn it, and be happy, be safe. See you with another exciting tutorial, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.